Hey everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix, where fig addiction's a real thing. Y'all, I've got a really cool story I want to share with all of you. In the recent weeks, I've been discussing figs, propagation, all things figs with a viewer who found me on Facebook. We started IMing back and forth. Y'all, he sent me some cuttings from a 30-plus-year-old Desert King fig tree at his family's property. Y'all, I am so grateful and thankful. This is such a neat thing to do. I'm going to discuss this story of these cuttings and this tree. Stick around. Let's review Figgin' for Fun. That's his handle on YouTube. We're going to discuss his Desert King fig tree. Okay, y'all, we're going to do a reveal. I've got kind of a mess here. I am propagating lots of cuttings I took off of my trees back here, cuttings I got off of FigBid. Now I'm going to propagate some cuttings I got from a viewer, Figgin' for Fun. I'll put his handle up here. I think he is about to begin his YouTube fig journey. And so y'all check him out. Hopefully he's going to get some videos going really soon if he has not already. So let's go ahead and let's open these up. So again, this is just a neat story. David was telling me about this Desert King tree he has, and actually it was somewhat of an accident. And I don't want to say an accident. He planted a Desert King tree in a pot. He kind of forgot about it. Y'all, it busted through the pot. The roots literally busted through the pot, went into the ground. This tree is 30 plus years old. He thinks it may be about to turn 40 here in the next 2-3 years. How cool is that? I'm going to put some pictures up of this tree. It is massive, absolutely massive. But let's take a look at these cuttings. Wow. Y'all, these are, I don't even know what to say. These are packaged, like professionally packaged. This just came from a viewer. He has got these sealed up inside of this. It's got a wet paper towel to keep the moisture up. I'm really blown away right now. This came from a friend that I've made from these videos. We've hooked up on Facebook and now IMing. Y'all, hopefully I can zoom in. He's got a professional type label on this. Unbelievable. And I don't even know how many cuttings he sent me. I think there's 6 in this one. Looks like 6 or 7 in this one. Just wow. David, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm kind of at a loss. Probably going to cut because I never lose words, and I've actually lost words right now. I'm so appreciative of these cuttings. I'm going to share your Desert King story with hopefully anybody that will watch. All right, so kind of gathered myself. Y'all, this is just super cool. I'm gonna have to cut into it. I do have a razor blade. These are literally sealed packages. This is the coolest thing. David, share with me how you did this. But I'm going to cut into one of these packages. He's got a really cool label on them. I'm going to go ahead and propagate these up. But just to tell the little story behind this tree. So I said before, he planted it in a pot, kind of forgot about it. It busted through the pot and into the ground. This tree has been living on his family's property for 30 plus years, maybe pushing 40 years. Wow. It's gigantic. Again, I'm going to put some pictures up. What David is doing, Figgin' for Fun, he is basically taking cuttings every fall, winter time, and then he's giving them out. He wants to pass on this Desert King fig tree to anybody that will take it. Super cool, David. I really appreciate it. I think what I want to do in David's honor, I'm going to try to propagate all of these. Y'all know that I am still learning how to propagate, but I think I'm getting better at this. I'm going to propagate all of these. I'm going to see how many of these will actually root and grow. And then maybe next summer, once I know that I have well-established cuttings into trees, maybe we'll do a giveaway. I am maybe hopefully by spring, summer, I'm approaching 500 subscribers. Maybe I look at 750 subscribers, but we'll do a giveaway. And I'll hopefully have more than, you know, a couple of these that I can give away. But y'all, this is just such a neat story. Thank you, David, for first off connecting with me. I truly believe that we are becoming friends. And again, these cuttings are fantastic. I don't know how you bag them up like this. I'm very interested in that. Maybe you can share that with me on Facebook. But y'all, this is just a neat story, and just want to show my appreciation for Fig and Faux Fun. I'll put his handle up here again, and y'all look for some of these cuttings to be given away maybe next summer when I know they're well established and I can feel good about sending them out to viewers. David, thank you so much. I'm very humbled, very appreciative of your generosity. Y'all, the fig community is absolutely amazing. I'm learning more and more every time I put out a video. Nobody's telling me I should have done this or I should have done that. Everyone is telling me, hey, that's a cool idea, but maybe try this, or maybe you should try this. That's what it's all about. That's a community. That is everyone helping everyone else. Very much appreciative to all of you, the viewers, for commenting. David, thank you so much. Let's get these propagated. I'll check back with you guys on these. I wanted to keep this short. I wanted to share David's story of his Desert King fig tree, 30 plus, almost 40-year-old fig tree on his family's property. David, you are doing a good work by spreading this tree around, spreading the wealth of this gigantic Desert King. Thank you so much. Hey, everybody, this is just proof. Fig addiction is a real thing. Join the Figolution. Just embrace it. Thanks for watching.